Ready? Go. Look at what you just did, bro. Oh my god, what a fucking guy. What the fuck? Oh, I can smell the rubber, bro.
Dude, look at this. Damn.
Let's see the tire marks that you just put down. Look at that shit.
Holy shit, that's long, bro. Look at this.
Oh my god. What's up, guys? How's it going? It's your boy 6.2 HELLCAT. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. It's Wednesday. It's the middle of the week. Weekend is right around the corner. But anyways, guys, let's get right into today's video. And today's video is something that I was quite interested in making. So just the other day, I linked up with my boy Rush Shift. So he has a little device called a Dragy. For those guys that don't know what a Dragy is, it's a little device that's connected to your phone via Bluetooth, and it's pretty much tracked through GPS. So pretty much what it does, you can track your 0 to 60 times, 60 to 130, quarter mile times, eighth of a mile times. So it's a really neat thing that a lot of people, it's gotten really popular over the past few months, year I guess. But a lot of people have been using it to test out their times with their cars. So the cool thing is that you can see everyone's time. So everyone puts up their times and you can see what times other people got. And I was looking through the times on Rush's phone, and oh my god, there are some stupid fast cars out there. I mean, 0 to 60 in like 2 seconds. Under that, it's honestly crazy. So I was pretty interested to see how my car does. So we did some pulls, 45 to 130, 60 to 130. We did my 0 to 60 times. So we did that just the other day. It's a nighttime video since out here in California, during the daytime, it's pretty hot right now. We're averaging like 90, 95 degrees on a normal day. So nighttime, it's around 60, 65 degrees. So it's much cooler. So these engines are going to perform much better at nighttime. So we made this video just the other day. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Let me know what you guys think about the times in the comment section down below. I was honestly really surprised with the times that I got with my car. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Enjoy the video. Go. We get this thing set up here, and we're going to show you guys a few draggy pulls. Okay, give me a sec. You want to slow down to like 45? 45? Yeah, and then do it 45 to 130. 45 to 130? Yeah. Just go a little over 130. Alright, we're at 45. Yeah, go. 60. Okay, stop. You did 9.73 right there. That's fucking slow. Jesus Christ. 9.3. 9.73, almost. Oh, 9.7, Jesus. I felt like you spun a little bit. Yeah, I did feel a little spin. Tried to turn traction off completely? Probably. Holy shit, dude, I thought... Bro, that's slow. That's the thing, man. You feel like it's a lot faster, and then like you actually do it, and you're like, what the fuck? You're like, what the hell? Yep. Oh my god. So our first run is 9.73, but I mean, you have room for improvement, so maybe... That was the first run, no, so... I can't turn traction control off right now, can I? Well, we're gonna get off and probably head back. Okay. That felt a lot better. Yeah, that did. How come? What did you do different? Oh man, I don't know. I think I was probably spinning. I think the spinning was what got me a little bit. Yeah. Let me see if I can just turn off traction real quick. Pull over real quick. Just turn it off. So we're gonna try it with traction control off. Completely off. Hopefully it doesn't cut power. I mean, it won't cut power now. That might have been it. Maybe it cut power because. You think so? Yeah. All right. So traction is completely off. Okay, give me a second. Let me get ready here. After we get uphill. It can't be downhill because is this a downhill? Is it? It's gonna mark it as invalid because it's the slope. So I think you just wait till we go down a little bit. Okay, slow down a little more.
you leaving out of like a 40? Or are you trying to like want to do it a little higher at 50 maybe?
Yeah, higher I think would be better.
60.
Okay, let me know when you're ready. Ready?
Ready.
Go. That was your slowest one.
Really?
That was your 10-second one. It was 9.96.
Ready.
Go.
60. 130.
I can't start from 60, huh?
I mean, you can, but it's just going to be worse timing.
Really?
I think. Yeah, that's usually everyone starts lower, but maybe if you want to try it, we can try it. Just give me 1 second, let me get set up.
Try 60 to 130.
60.
Hang on. Let me know when you're ready.
Ready.
Yeah.
Ready?
60.
Go. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. That was 11 seconds, bro.
Oh shit. Dude, it does not feel like 11
Yeah.
seconds. That's crazy though. Ready?
60.
Go. Yeah.
130.
That's it. Yeah. That was 11 seconds, bro.
Oh shit.
What happened?
Car back there on
Turn his lights on?
it. Yeah.
Just take off, bro.
Yeah?
That would be a call. Is he coming up fast?
No, I don't think so. Should I just go?
Yeah. Should be good.
Yeah, he's not going
Even if he wanted to.
over. There's no way. Alright. I'm at 50 right now.
Ready? Go.
60.
Keep going. You're good. That was your fastest yet.
Really?
8.88.
Ah, alright. At least I got into the 8s.
Yeah.
Nice. I'm 50 right now.
Ready? Go.
60.
Keep going. Keep going.
130.
You're good. That was your fastest yet.
Really?
8.88.
Alright guys, so we just got off the freeway in Mexico obviously, and we got some good runs in, some rolls, some 60 to 130s. So we're gonna go ahead and try out a dig. I'm pretty sure this is not gonna go too well since I'm still on my stock tire. I haven't put the 4 stars on yet, so ready?
Yeah.
What was that?
5 seconds.
Oh, it's not too bad, but you know, I actually want
You
to
just did an 8.84 eighth mile go left. And a quarter mile in 15 seconds.
Bro. Ready?
Yeah.
60.
What was that?
5 seconds.
Oh, it's not too bad, but you know, I actually want
You
to
just did an 8.84 eighth mile go left.
Quarter mile.
And a quarter mile in 15 seconds.
set up launch control quick.
That was 4.5.
Okay.
Yeah.
Launch control actually helps a little bit then.
Yeah, you're still
Half a
spinning
second
your ass
difference.
up.
Yeah, I'm still spinning a shit ton. I'm honestly really excited to see how the drag
Also
wheels do.
gonna help you. I think you're gonna be in like the 3-second range.
Yeah, because once I hooked it, like you
Yeah.
can like
The power.
yeah, the power just kicks in.
Fuji. 60.
control all the way off, see what it does.
You're just gonna do a rolling burnout.
Fun. Sounds like fun to do, bro.
What you're gonna do. Where's the street at?
That's
I don't want
way
you to,
up
like,
there.
fucking
I think
cross
that light over there.
You sure?
I think so.
Ready?
Ready?
What you just did, bro. Oh my god, what a fucking guy. What the fuck? Oh my, I can smell the rubber, bro.
Dude, look at this.
God.
What the fuck?
That's exactly what I thought was gonna happen. A fucking rolling burnout.
Oh
God.
man.
Oh, I haven't smelled the smell of rubber in a minute.
It's been a minute, man.
Look at these 11s.
Look
guys.
at these. Well, I kind of want to get out just to show them. Oh man. All right, guys. So I just laid down some rubber. Oh man. Whew. And I miss the smell of burning rubber. Honestly, I haven't done a burnout in this car yet, so this is breaking the virginity of the Daytona, doing a rolling burnout from a dig. So that was pretty fun. All right, guys, so I hope you did enjoy this little clip. Jesus, man, I swear I see you guys like comment on my channel all the time about this door like opening and closing. It honestly does that all the time. It's honestly freaking me out a little bit. But anyways, hope you guys did enjoy this little video with the Dragy. It's definitely going to be really interesting to see how much of a difference the tune, the pulley, and ED5 make. So once I get those things put on, then we'll go ahead and go back and try out the Dragy again. So I might just do one thing at a time. Might just do the tune first and then do ED5 and then the pulley, due to the fact that my fuel system still hasn't even shipped yet. So we're still waiting on that to show up. But hopefully it does come in the very near future. I'm actually going to be heading over to Salinas Tires, hopefully either today or tomorrow, to get my drag tires put on the car. So this is not a setup that I'm going to be running on the streets all the time, like while I'm just driving around. This is just something that I'm going to put on my car when I'm racing and like making videos and whatnot. But besides that, it's kind of pointless and a waste of money to be running the Mickey Thompson ET Street Rs on the street all the time, since the tires have a really soft compound, so it wears and tears really easily. So I think on my old Hellcat, the tires were dead in like a month. So these are tires that you definitely don't want to be running on the streets all the time. But that will be for another video. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Also drop a comment down below letting me know what videos you guys want to see in the future. I'm 6 Boy Tell Guy. Have a great day, guys.